Every time you ask ChatGPT a question, every time you use Google Translate, every time an AI recognizes your face, millions of invisible workers made it possible, and most of them earn less than minimum wage. Welcome to Lost in the Loop. I'm here to show you the hidden systems behind our digital world. Today, we're diving into one of tech's best-kept secrets, the massive human workforce that powers artificial intelligence. This isn't about engineers or programmers. This is about data labeling, and it's more brutal than you think. Here's what most people don't know. AI doesn't learn by magic. Every smart system needs to be trained on millions of examples, and humans have to label every single one. Is this a cat or a dog? Tag it. Is this text positive or negative? Label it. Is this person walking or running? Mark it. ChatGPT required labeling of over 300 billion words. Image recognition systems need millions of tagged photos. A single autonomous vehicle dataset contains over 100,000 labeled driving scenarios. So who does this work? Meet the data labeling industry. The workers. They are primarily located in Kenya, in India, the Philippines, Venezuela. Often former teachers, students, unemployed professionals. They work through platforms like ClickWorker, Amazon Mechanical Turk, and they earn $1 to $3 per hour for complex AI training tasks. Think about that. $1 to $3 per hour to train some of the most advanced AI systems in the world. The process: 8 to 12-hour shifts staring at screens. Repetitive micro-tasks with strict accuracy requirements. The psychological toll is severe, reviewing disturbing content for content moderation, all with no benefits, no job security, and constant performance monitoring. Here's a real example. OpenAI hired Kenyan workers for just $2 per hour. Their job? Reviewing traumatic content, graphic violence, sexual abuse. Also, AI could learn safety systems. Many of these workers developed PTSD. Imagine going through that for $2 an hour. Think about that for a moment. Why is this hidden? Because it breaks the AI narrative. Tech companies want you to believe AI learns by itself, that computers figure things out alone. But the reality is very different. It's human learning at machine scale. AI companies are valued at billions, and the data labeling industry? Worth $1.2 billion annually. Yet the workers, they see a fraction of 1% of the value they create. It's cost arbitrage. $50 per hour for a Silicon Valley engineer versus $2 per hour for an overseas labeler. Every major AI breakthrough relies on this hidden workforce. GPT models need human feedback to learn. Self-driving cars require millions of labeled driving scenarios. Medical AI depends on radiologists labeling thousands of scans. Facial recognition? Humans tag the demographic data. This isn't just about unfair wages. It's about the future of work itself. AI is supposed to replace human labor, but it requires massive human labor to function. We're training our own replacements while being paid poverty wages to do it. And the ethical questions are stark. Should AI companies be transparent about this human dependency? What happens when this workforce is automated away? Who's responsible for the psychological impact on workers? Is this digital colonialism extracting value from developing nations? Despite promises of unsupervised learning, most breakthrough AI still needs human guidance. The dirty secret: we're nowhere near eliminating human involvement. So the next time you marvel at AI's capabilities, remember the hidden army behind it. These aren't just statistics, they're people, whose invisible labor powers our digital world.